Amnesia is a form of memory loss. Some people with amnesia have difficulty forming new memories. Others can't recall fact or past experience. People with amnesia usually retain knowledge of their own identity in addition to their motor skills. Mild memory loss. It is a normal part of aging. Significant memory loss or the inability to form new memories may indicate the presence of an amnestic disorder. Depending on the specific type of amnesia, the memory loss can be temporary or permanent, and it can affect either a specific period of time or various types of memories. Now let's see the symptoms of amnesia. Inability to remember past events or experiences. Difficulty forming new memories. Confusion and disorientation. Repetition of questions and actions. Reliance on notes or cues to remember information. Types of amnesia. Retrograde amnesia. Difficulty recalling past events or experiences. This type of amnesia involves the inability to remember events or information that occurred before the onset of amnesia. For example, a person may forget their past experiences, childhood memories, or events leading up to a traumatic incident. Anterograde amnesia. Inability to form new memories after the onset of amnesia. In anterograde amnesia, individuals have difficulty forming new memories after the onset of the condition. They might remember events that occurred before the amnesia, but struggle to retain new information or experiences. Some people experience this kind of amnesia during a blackout caused by too much alcohol. Next is transient global amnesia. It is temporary and sudden episode of memory loss, usually lasting for a few hours. During this period, affected individuals cannot form new memories, but the condition often resolves itself with time. Dissociative amnesia. Memory loss caused by psychological trauma. This type of amnesia is often caused by psychological trauma, and it involves forgetting personal information such as one's identity or significant life events to escape from the distressing memories. Causes of amnesia: head injuries, stroke, brain infections, anoxia. Anoxia is the depletion of oxygen levels that affect your entire brain and lead to memory loss. Then neurological disorders. To lose old memories, you must have widespread brain deterioration. This can be caused by Alzheimer's disease or other forms of dementia. Then brain tumors, severe emotional or psychological stress, then substance abuse, long-term alcohol use disorder can cause Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. It is a brain disorder that leads to progressive memory loss due to insufficient vitamin B1. Then certain medications. If a person receives electroconvulsive therapy, ECT, for depression or other conditions, he could experience retrograde amnesia. Diagnosis and evaluation. Medical evaluation by healthcare professionals. Amnesia can be diagnosed by a doctor or neurologist. Physical and neurological exams. Then MRI or CT scans to identify brain abnormalities. Blood test to check for nutritional deficiencies that could affect cognitive function, such as insufficient levels of vitamin B1, vitamin B12, or vitamin D. Then psychological assessments to rule out other conditions. These are certain diagnostic methods used to evaluate amnesia. Treatment. Amnesia treatment. It includes addressing the underlying cause if possible. Chemically induced amnesia. From alcohol, it can be resolved through detoxification. Once the drug is out of your system, your memory problem will probably subside. Amnesia from dementia is often incurable. However, your doctor may prescribe medications to support learning and memory. Then cognitive therapy and memory exercises. Rehabilitation programs to improve memory recall. Then occupational therapy. This type of therapy can help you learn new information and memory skills for daily living. Then supportive measures from family and friends. Now let's see some coping strategies. Keeping a journal to record thoughts and emotions. Using memory aids such as calendars and reminders. Engaging in creative activities to stimulate memory. Establishing routines to enhance memory retention. Damage to the brain can be a root cause of amnesia. It is important to take steps to minimize your chance of brain injury. It is essential for individuals experiencing memory problems or suspected amnesia to seek medical evaluation and guidance from qualified healthcare professionals to determine the cause and appropriate treatment. The human experience is woven together by memories, shaping who we are and connecting us to our past. Amnesia may cast a veil over cherished moments, but it cannot extinguish the light that resides within us. To those who have experienced amnesia, remember that you are not defined by what you have forgotten, but by the strength with which you navigate life's challenges. To those around someone grappling with amnesia, be the steady hand that guides them through the fog of memory loss. As we come to the end of this video, I hope it has provided you with valuable insights into amnesia. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with others who may benefit from understanding this. Thank you and keep smiling.